Welcome on the podcast, John.
Thank you.
I want to understand about Jonathan Charles and JC Furniture that you
It
have.
would be fair to assume that I'm Jonathan Charles, but I'm not. I'm Jonathan Sowter.
I know.
And Jonathan Sowter, when you're naming a company, doesn't sound very nice. Even I can't pronounce my surname properly. So, like all good people, when they're trying to name a company, they phone their mother. And it was my mother's suggestion to take my father's first name and my first name.
Okay.
So Charles is my father, and I am Jonathan. Jonathan Charles as a brand is all about quality, attention to detail, making everything ourselves. We have our own foundry. So we make all of the screws and the locks and the keys and hinges on the furniture ourselves.
And that's how the 2,500 employees.
That's why we've got 2,500 employees now, which is an accident. I don't know how that happened. But we just have a passion, I think. I am probably the biggest control freak you've ever met. I like to be able to do everything myself or within our company. We make our own screws. Okay, I can buy screws, but not the way I want the screws to be. So we are very obsessed with being vertical and not being dependent on a third party who might let me down.